Solubility and different purities of water. Most water found on Earth is not pure, although many are led to believe otherwise. Even the water most people drink contains substances other than H2O. The most abundant type of water on Earth is salt water, and the water most people drink is tap water, which is clean but contains various electrolytes. The only pure water is mechanically filtered or distilled water. Substances in water affects its solubility. Solubility is the ability of one substance to dissolve in another. In this experiment, we will be testing the solubility of water in 3 different levels of purity: saltwater, tap water, and distilled water. Our hypothesis is that the saltwater solution will dissolve the sugar cube the quickest.
Materials needed are 3 200 milliliter beakers, 3 stirring rods, a timer, 7 grams of kosher salt, 3 Domino's sugar cubes, 393 milliliters of distilled water, 200 milliliters of tap water.
First, prepare all solvents. Obtain salt water or create by adding 7 grams of kosher salt to 193 milliliters of distilled water. Contain solvent in 1 200 milliliter beaker. Stir salt in water until it has dissolved completely. Pour 200 milliliters of tap water into the second empty beaker. Pour 200 milliliters of distilled water into the last empty beaker. Then label each beaker salt water, tap water, and distilled water accordingly. Now begin the procedure. Place the sugar cube in tap water and start the timer when the sugar cube is submerged. Stir the solution approximately 100 stirs per minute until the sugar cube has been dissolved. Stop the timer when the sugar is completely dissolved. Record the results. Repeat the same steps with distilled water and salt water and record results.
The results from our experiment disproves our hypothesis. Our experiment supports the idea that solute dissolves faster when there are already substances in the solvent. Since distilled water was free of all impurities, it took the longest to dissolve. Tap water had many more substances, and salt water only had salt. Since the experiment showed an unlikely outcome, further research is needed.